Welcome to Elegantly She, the wellness YouTube channel dedicated to helping women create healthy daily habits to boost their mental and physical well-being. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the power of mindful living and how it can help you reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. Mindful living is all about being present and fully engaged in each moment, rather than allowing yourself to be consumed by the constant distractions and stresses of everyday life. By incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine, you can reduce stress, increase your energy levels, and improve your overall sense of well-being. So how can you start living more mindfully? First, it's important to take a few moments each day to simply breathe and be present in the moment. This can be as simple as taking a few deep breaths before starting your day, or practicing a short meditation to help you clear your mind. Next, try to be more intentional with your time and energy. This means setting priorities, setting boundaries, and learning to say no to things that don't align with your values or goals. By focusing on what truly matters to you, you can reduce stress and create a greater sense of purpose and fulfillment in your life. Another important aspect of mindful living is self-care. Taking care of yourself physically, mentally, and emotionally is essential for overall well-being. This can include things like regular exercise, healthy eating, practicing self-compassion, and making time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine may take time and practice, but the benefits are worth it. By reducing stress and increasing your overall well-being, you can live a happier, more fulfilling life. Thanks for watching. Check the description for a link to access our free guide to elevate your wellness that offers tailored tips for women to boost mental and physical health. It includes action plans and reflection questions to keep you accountable. Be sure to subscribe to Elegantly She for more tips on creating a healthy, happy lifestyle.